In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the YouTube share button into iMovie on Mac operating system. One of the very first videos I made on my channel was how to upload from iMovie to YouTube. And over the past week, I've been noticing that the comments for this video are saying that the button is not available to share to YouTube. So that's what we'll be looking at in this video on how to fix this issue. So normally once you're in your project in iMovie, if you click the icon at the top right, you have this share icon that allows you to upload directly to YouTube. And it's a really convenient way to upload videos, and I've been using it on my own channel. And I've noticed that in one of my previous videos that a lot of the comments lately have been saying about this button that has disappeared. And I can confirm that by looking at the article on Apple. So there are 275 people that have the same problem that has been reported in this article. So it is a common problem nowadays, and I think this is because that the app has been updated. So the iMovie application has been updated and they have removed that feature at some point along the line. If you look at iMovie in the App Store, you can see here that 2 weeks ago they have released an update for this, and it tells us here that the share button for YouTube and Facebook has been added again to the application. So a quick way to fix this is to update to the latest version of iMovie. Now there is one requirement here that we have to have the macOS version 10.15, and you can see that if I try to update my application that I do not have the right version installed on my system. So in order to fix that, we need to upgrade to the latest operating system for Mac, which is Big Sur. So currently I'm running on Mojave, but if we update to the latest operating system, that will allow us to update our iMovie application. However, updating our operating system will take some time as it has to download around 11 or 12 gigabytes of data. So we can see here that this is the latest Mac operating system on the App Store. And if we look down here, it is 12.6 gigabytes. So it will take some time to download and update. But if you want to get your system up to date and install the patch for iMovie, this is one way to solve that problem. So hopefully you guys have found this video helpful, and if you have, make sure to drop a comment below and like this video. You can always subscribe to the channel and get more content from me. If you're going to subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell so you always get a notification when I put a video out. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.